just feel like I don't have any motivation, you know? I mean, it's hard enough to get in the gym. Then when I'm there, I just forget all the workouts, forget the routines, you know? It's like I just need some guidance, you know?
If you want to get in shape and do it soon, you best be listening to this tune. Squats are great for the lower body. Go down low like you need to potty. Deadlifts are excellent for the back, but do them right so your back don't snap.
Now I've trained legs, so I'm on my way.
So let's train upper body, what do you say? Bench press, chest press, push-ups too. Keep doing those, you'll be a bad dude. Build great posture with bent over rows so you don't walk around like no Quasimodo. Turn your shoulders into boulders with presses and raises. Have a muscular body that always amazes.
Skull crushers are great, but where'd they get that name?
Drop it on your head and you'll see where it came. Bicep curls, you know them well. Keep doing those, you'll see your arms swell.
But what about abs? I don't like this flab.
They're made in the kitchen, so quit your bitching.
So I can do nearly every type of crunch, but it all boils down to what I had for lunch.
Planks, twists, raises, isolations, they're all just different variations.
So what should I eat now that I'm beat? I see so much bad food when I drive down the
you
street.
keep it lean, green, and marine. Don't forget your cardio on the days in between. You should also try to avoid processed food.
Thank you for that, you're one bad dude. So if I want tacos, I shouldn't eat that?
Heck no, my friend. That's why Mexicans are fat. Lifting weights is legit. Anything else is some faggot ass shit.
And make sure to stay hydrated. And get a foam roller. And don't forget to stretch. You don't want to pull a muscle.
Wow, that really helped. I feel I can totally adhere to my whole new healthy lifestyle. I mean, just thank you so much.
I'll be $1,100.
What? $1,100? No, we just danced and then you called me gay at one point. No, I'm not paying $1,100. Sorry.